Hello students! When you're writing a report on the computer, the dictionary is a great tool to use. You can find it by clicking on the Spotlight tab up in the right corner. Type in dictionary and you'll see it appear. I'll double click on it to open it up. And now I can look up a word. Let's say I'm doing a report on the Declaration of Independence, but I'm not quite sure how to spell independence. If I click on the search box, I can start to type in independence until it appears. I can double click on it, and what I will get is a dictionary, definition, spelling, and parts of speech on the word independence. Underneath here, there's a thesaurus, and that shows words that are similar to independence in meaning. This is really good if I want to use some variety in my writing. I can use some of these words from this list. And finally, there's a Wikipedia article in case I want to get some more information on independence. There's another way to search for a word in the dictionary, and that's by scrolling. Let's say I need to learn I'm not sure how to spell declaration. So I'll start to spell it, and I can just scroll down until I see my word. Okay, Declaration of Independence. I'll go ahead and double click on that. So you can start to type your word, and if you get stuck, you can use the scroll button to help you find it. Another great tool when you're writing reports is spell check. And you usually use spell check when you're working on a document. For example, here's a Word document that I have. And I have some words that have a red underline, which means that they're not spelled correctly. So I'm going to use spell check to fix it. I'll go up to Tools, Spelling and Grammar. And the first one that comes up is actually my last name, which means that it's not in the dictionary. However, I don't want to change that because that is the way my last name is spelled. So I will click the Ignore button and go to the next one. Now, important is definitely not spelled correctly, and it gives me a suggestion on how to spell it. So that one I will change. And history. Here are my suggestions. This one is highlighted. That's the one I want, so I'm going to change that. And now my spell check is. If you look at the report, you will see some green underlines. That means that there's grammar errors. Some of those are easy to fix and some not so easy. If I go up here to the A and right click on it, it's saying that that should actually be an because the next word starts with a vowel. That's an easy fix, so I'll click that. However, the next one that's underlined is from the Declaration of Independence, and I guess they're giving me some suggestions that it's not quite spelled right. However, that's from a document, so I don't necessarily want to change it. In this case, I would probably ask the teacher to help me and see what they would suggest to make that correct. Or maybe we just leave it as is and we can press the Ignore button. Anyway, you might want to consult with your teacher on a case like that. So the dictionary is a great tool to use. It's available on your computer if you need help spelling a word. And when you're writing a document, you can also use a spell check to help sure that all your words are spelled correctly. That's it for dictionary and spell check. Thanks for watching.